How to fix fingerprint not showing on Android. If the fingerprint option is missing from your Android device settings, it can be due to several reasons, such as software glitches, outdated firmware, or hardware issues. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially fix the issue. First is to restart your device. A simple restart can sometimes resolve software glitches. For that, press and hold the power button on your Android device, and you need to tap on the slider and slide towards upward to restart your device. Now you have to ensure your device is running to the latest version. For that, open Settings on your Android device. Tap on the search bar and check for the updates. If you see the option for software update, tap on it and open the software update option. If there is any updates available, tap on download and install and it will be easily updated your software. As we can see, there is the updated version of our software, so no need to do for that. Now the third step you need to follow is to check fingerprint hardware. Make sure the fingerprint sensor is clean and free of any dirt or debris. Gently clean it with a soft cloth and make it clean. Following this step, if your issue has not been yet fixed, then you can easily re-add fingerprint. Go to Settings and now search for fingerprint with the help of the search bar at top of the screen. Open the fingerprint section and you need to enter the lock screen password. Here are some of the list of the fingerprints. You can easily delete any existing fingerprints and tap on Add a fingerprint and re-add them. You can tap on Delete and tap the Delete button and add a new one. Next step is you need to factory reset your device. If none of the above steps works, you can perform a factory reset. This will erase all data on your device, so make sure to back up important information list. Again, head into the settings on your device. Now you need to search for the additional settings option. Scroll down to bottom. Tap Backup and Reset. Now tap Reset Phone. Tap Erase All Data and enter lock screen password. To confirm, tap Erase Data and your issue of fingerprint not showing in settings of Android will be solved. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, send a like, share, comment on this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.